Everybody fucking jump.
Good sunny day everybody, and welcome at E36 E46 brake swaps part number 3. Today is not only a nice weather day, but it's also D-Day because my winter project is finally done. It took a lot of more hours than I thought. So if you want to do a quick swap, don't do it like this. You can only sandblast the brakes, but it's more to get the dirt off. You have to do it by hand if you want to get the material straight. There were a lot of almost unreachable places to get, but it's done. I can get it out of my bucket list. Well, I have to go to work now, but first I'm going to drop the brakes at the paint shop, so let's hurry up. Refurbished the brakes nicely. It took a little bit more time than we initially thought, so we brought the E46 to the garage with my buddy Vikas. Vikas also helped me build out the E36 as well. So for the time being we bought some cheap front and rear pads and we mounted them on the E46. The bleeding screw hasn't been loose in a few years, so before I'm going to get it off, I'm going to spray it in with some penetrating oil. Then I'm going to heat it up and get it off with the number 10. Then of course I'm going to degrease it very good before I'm going to bring the brakes to the painter. One got stuck, so what I did, I take a number 8, heated it up, put a hammer on it, and now it's loose, thank God.